Why is everyone suddenly wearing athleisure everywhere? At the airport, in offices, on dates, even at weddings. This isn't just comfortable clothing. Athleisure is quietly taking over the world. And today, you're going to find out exactly why. Athleisure has become the official uniform of the modern man. If you've ever wondered why people are choosing joggers over jeans, sweatshirts over shirts, and sneakers over everything else, this video will show you the psychological, cultural, and even scientific reasons behind this shift. Stick around until the end, because I'll also share the 5 athleisure mistakes that instantly ruin your look, and how to build the perfect athleisure wardrobe on any budget. Athleisure exploded because the world changed. We're working differently, commuting less, and moving more. Comfort is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. Remote work normalized relaxed clothing, long commutes, demand for breathable, stretchable fabrics. The line between work, gym, and social life blurred. Athleisure answers the question, how can I look good without sacrificing comfort? And honestly, once people experienced this comfort, they weren't going back. Athleisure wasn't always cool, but then celebrities made it aspirational. Michael B. Jordan in tailored sweats. NBA tunnel fits are reshaping men's fashion. Tech CEOs wearing hoodies and sneakers. Fitness influencers romanticizing the clean gym to street look. The message became clear. Comfort is powerful. Confidence comes from ease, not stiffness. This might surprise you, but athleisure is backed by science. 4-way stretch reduces physical stress. Breathable fabrics lower cortisol. Improved mobility, improved mood. Wearing comfortable clothing improves productivity. Psychologists call it enclothed cognition. The clothes you wear affect your mindset and performance. And that leads us to something nobody talks about, the emotional side. Athleisure isn't fashion. It's an identity, wellness culture, health-focused living, mindfulness plus minimalism. The desire to feel functional, capable, and active. Becoming the best version of yourself, aesthetic. The clean, put-together man trend. For men especially, athleisure fits a deeper desire to look good without looking like you tried too hard. Here's the truth. Brands didn't just follow the trend, they engineered it. Why companies love it? Higher profit margins, cheaper to produce, year-round demand, less risk than formal fashion, social media-friendly aesthetics, fits perfectly with the modern wellness economy, worth billions. This industry is growing faster than traditional fashion ever did. Men especially gravitated to athleisure for simple reasons. It's effortless. It's confidence-boosting. It fits every body type. No complicated styling. It removes the fear of dressing wrong. It signals a lifestyle, productive, active, balanced. Athleisure became the answer to the question, how do I look stylish without feeling uncomfortable? Remote work changed everything. Hoodies plus tailored joggers became acceptable. Minimalist sneakers replaced dress shoes. Smart casual became the new corporate look. Offices prefer employees being productive, not stiff and uncomfortable. Today, the work uniform is more relaxed than ever. The future of athleisure. We'll see more. Tech fabrics, temperature regulation, odor-resistant clothing, performance suits, eco-friendly athleisure, smart clothing. Yes, it's coming. Athleisure isn't a trend. It's the future of everyday wear. The 5 athleisure mistakes men should avoid. 1. Wearing gym clothes as streetwear. 2. Overly baggy sweatpants. 3. Loud branding everywhere. 4. Dirty sneakers. 5. Mixing too many colors. Clean, simple, neutral. That's the formula. How to build the perfect athleisure wardrobe essentials list. Black plus gray joggers, tailored sweatpants, high-quality hoodies, neutral tees, white sneakers, lightweight jackets, minimal accessories. If you keep your palette neutral and the fit tailored, you'll always look put together. Athleisure didn't just become popular, it became a lifestyle, a reflection of how we live, work, move, and grow. If you learned something new today and want more calm, aesthetic fashion breakdowns, consider subscribing. It helps the channel more than you know. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.